Welcome to another episode of the Riendeau Show. Here we are in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. Not only does the Riendeau work outside, but Riendeau works inside. Finish work, cabinets. Over here, we got a knee wall. A knee wall with a crawl space inside of it. As you can see, this looks like a plain, ordinary little panel. But this is going to be a door. And this door is encased with poplar wood. Some nice piano hinges, and it's made out of maple. As you can see right here, I used 5/8 thick maple. Now, when you're working with maple, or any kind of oak, any kind of finished wood, expensive wood, you want to use a tape so that when you're cutting it, you don't chip up the wood. After you cut it, you take this off, and you got a nice smooth surface. If you cut it without the tape, you end up getting chipped wood and getting imperfections in your wood. Now, we also have a molding which we use, which we put up here, and to make it look like a panel door. That's the impression I'm trying to get here. Now, we got these handles you can buy that are false handles. These handles just go on something to make it look like they actually turn, but they just screw right to here. So after it's done, it comes out, and it's just a regular handle. And then we got on the inside, all you had to do is put these magnetic little hinges. So this is the before. Now I'll show you what it looks like after. Here's the after effect. We make it look like a panel door with the hinge, and there it is. Here's your crawl space. Not only are we doing finish work today, but my colleague, Keith Marty, KME Electric, is also doing some work in this place. And as you can see right here, we have an electrician doing some work here, Kyle. Kyle, tell us what you're doing there.
Well, Sean, I'm installing a light fixture, and one of the most important parts about installing a light fixture is make sure there's no power, especially with a metal fixture, because then you will ground yourself out and get electrocuted. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much the basics of installing light fixtures.
Yep.
And my boss is installing a GFI that is going to give you some information about.
Alright, here we go. We got the boss here.
Hey Sean, how are you doing today?
Doing pretty good, Keith.
Good. Today we're going to go through a couple small electrical tips, nothing major. Simple GFI should always be installed in bathrooms or anywhere close to water. A couple of things you're going to want to look for in installing a GFI. On the back of the GFI, it's going to be labeled load and line. Line is going to be the wire, if you take them all off the receptacle, the wire that has 120 volts on it. The way to do this is check the two wires that come in, separate them. We got 2 and 2 here, black and white, which is neutral and load. You want to check the wires for which one has 120. This is going to be a load wire. Anything else off of this plug is going to be the load here. So you're going to want line from the panel, 120, and anything else you're putting on the receptacle off the load. That's basically it. And again, a GFI should be within 3 feet of any water basin. That goes for kitchens, bathrooms, outdoor near any pool area. And that's about it, Sean. I know one of my workers in the other room just went over putting the light fixture again. Simplest thing, multimeter. Check the wire first before you do any work. A simple job like this can be done by any homeowner.
Now remember, if you have any questions on these tips, you can call or you can go onto our website, www.roofingandsidingri.com. Keith, your website?
My website is www.kmeelectric.com, and you can check that out anytime you want.
We'll see you next time we do another episode of the Riendeau Show. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.